the Iron Trader. This is the last call of the day, so we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, remember on crude oil, the API report will be out today at 4:30. And on Thursday, the EIA report on natural gas will be out at 10:30, and the crude will be out at 11. So you want to make sure that you're kind of in tune to this to see exactly how this is all going to shake out. Another thing you want to pay attention to is on OPEC. On some ways away on October 2nd is going to have their OPEC meeting, and I believe it's going to be in person. Right now, they have these voluntary cuts that they were going to, get rid of, and they were going to start adding supply on the market. But with the crude oil falling off like this, they're going to probably stop that, and they might even cut some more. So we got to make sure that we pay attention to all that. That's a ways away, but just put that on your back burner. Okay. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now you can see here where this is just falling right off. There's just no bottom here. Okay, right now this is just going lower. I'm short. I'm staying short with the SEO. I've been short. Reason being is, okay, we have a double top here. Lower highs all the way on down, and look at here, double top, double top, double top, couldn't get through, and look at this big ass red candle of yesterday, and then look at there today. Now, when it rose up here today, where did it go? Okay, 71.46, right there to the bottom of that candle, right perfect, okay, hit it, and then couldn't get any farther, okay, and that was it. Now, again, if it could, then what we do, we look to the next level here at that 71.67, and then we'll come up over here to the bottom of that candle, 72.20, and then we can just take the candles on up here, 72.58, we'll be looking here at 72.83, and then we come up here to 73.52, and then we'll be looking for this 8-day at 73.90, and your 21-day above that at 74.93, but obviously that didn't happen. This candle stopped it dead in its tracks. Okay, now when you look at this chart, this is total bearishness right here. Okay, the price now is below all your simple moving averages, and all these simple moving averages are rolling over. Look at your 100-day, your 50-day, your 21-day, and your 8-day. Now these are going to be a lot lower, your 8-day and 21-day, as soon as that the futures open here at 6 p.m. Okay, so there's just nothing here a positive. There's no bouncing. There is nothing here. No positive divergence. Absolutely nothing going on here but lower. Okay, so I'm short and I'm staying short. If I can see a possibility here to make some money, scalp on a long side, but no, so far I'm just going to hang that. Okay, so here's what we got, sir. So you got a low that's going on here. Okay, you got 68.98. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to look really to the bottom of this candle right here. You're looking at 67.71. That is going to be your next target. Now, again, if that's lost, then we're going to come here to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 66.80, and then we're going to come right here. We're looking at 65.38. We'll look at the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 64.36 and 63.64. This is what you're looking for. Now, seasonality is not playing out here in crude. Usually we have seasonality here through the end of September, but hurricane season has just been absolutely nothing. Now, all these scientists were predicting, oh, you're going to have the bad storms and all this kind of stuff. And we've had, I think, one hurricane so far this whole year, and nothing looks like it's going to be hurricane, which is great for people. Don't get me wrong. But if you're an oil trader and you're a long trader, this is very, very disappointing to you, see? So don't listen to these people here. They don't know dick. Okay, just watch the trade and watch and trade the charts. That's what you got to know. So anyway, this looks very, very low here. So the two key levels that you really want to watch is right here is this 67.71 level, and then you want to watch this 63.64 level. These are going to be your two big targets. Now, if that's lost, then it's going to be man out the window time here for sure. Now, when we look at a monthly chart, you can see here, see this here? See, high, lower high, lower high. Everything lines up here. This is totally bearish, totally negative. And now your price is below your 50-day, your 200-day, your 8-day, your 21-day. The only thing it isn't low here is going to be right there, is going to be your 64.52, which is basically your 100-day. Now, again, if that's lost here, we can follow all the candles down here. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down here, $6, but I'm saying this here just looks ugly times ugly. Okay, this is going on down. Okay, your RSI, plenty of room on the downside. MACD, your green below your red, down. Green below your red, down. This has plenty of room to run down. There's nothing positive here at all. So here's how I'm going to trade it. You have to trade it however you want. What I am is I'm short, and I'm looking for any kind of a daily scalps on the long side. But right now, this just looks lower unless something would happen. But you got to figure when the Saudi Arabia tankers got hit, and crude's still going down. I mean, so what does that tell you? I think what it tells you is maybe there's a possible recession coming, is what this really tells you. If crude oil is going on down. Now, remember, summer driving is done as of Labor Day, so there's really no reason to say, hey, this is going to go higher. So right now, short is the trade. Okay, let's take a look here now at natural gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your daily and your weekly chart here. Okay, so this is what we had here today. Okay, so we had this contract roll. It gapped up and it just kept right on running here very, very nicely. But you notice that yesterday it came down to sold down and it didn't hold the 21, came down, but it held that 8-day very, very nicely. Then it rallied back up and where to go right into that 50-day. This is why you want to trade the charts. Okay, so again, look at what happened here today. Not really, look at where it is. Okay, so today it opened up here sideways and then it got above the 50 and where did it go? Right into that 200-day. Okay, see, look at it. See, this is why you want to trade the charts. Look at that. If you already know where it's going to go, you know where you can sell. That's what I did. I dumped it off right into the 200-day because it's going to take a lot more than just one day to get above that 200-day. It's going to have to take something, like it's like when when you're a kid, you're rocking over a Coke machine. You're not going to get it the first time. You got to rock that bad boy before you're going to tip it over, and that's what happens when you hit the 200-day. Okay, so let's look at the downside here first. Key level so far as holding is this 21-day at 2.128. So this is what you're going to be trading against. So when those futures open at 6 o'clock tonight, you want to watch obviously the high, which was a 2.27, and you want to watch that low at 2.13. Okay, that's going to be very, very key. Now again, if that's lost, this is what you're watching right here, 2.128. Very, very critical on a closing basis. Is you got to hold that. If that's lost, we're going to come right over here to your 2.08 level. Okay, that's very, very simple. That's where you're going to go. That's going to be your next target. Then if that is lost, you're going to come right here to the bottom of this candle at 2.02. There's your gap. And then you look right on top of it here at 1.97. There's your fill. Now, again, if this gap doesn't hold it, that fill doesn't hold it, then what you do is you come right here, 1.94, and then we come over here, 1.90, and then your big retest here is 1.875. Okay. Now, don't worry about that. At the end of this video, all your support and resistance levels are all posted there for you. So all you do is just write that down or however you do it, and boom, it's all right there for you. But I just like to show you here on an actual chart exactly what's going on. Now, upside here, what you're looking at right now on natural gas real time is sitting at 2.15. So what you want to do is look to the top of this candle. Your next resistance levels on the upside is 2.17. And then your key level here is your 2.20, your 50-day. And then we can get above that level. Then we'll come to the top here. You're looking at roughly 2.22. And then we're going to look here at that 2.26. That's your 100-day. And then right above that, we have your old Hondo up here at 2.29. And then we have your price channel at 2.3, which is basically just that candle. Now, again, we're just trading this range. That's why I like putting these. These are just price channels, which are just basically tops, okay, and bottoms of candle. But your range is trading nice here. 2.30 on the top, 1.875 on the bottom here, okay? See? Rock and roll, okay? And then right back up here again. So we got to see how this all shakes out. So what you want to watch on the upside, key level is this 50-day, okay? You get above that, you go into that 200-day. Bottom, you want to watch that 21-day. You lose that, you go into the 8-day. It's just that simple, okay? Level to level, that's how you want to trade, okay? Is this going to go, let's say, okay, eventually, is this going to go all the way to here? I think it will. Is it going to go there today? Oh, hell no. So you want to go level to level. Just take one level at a time. Once we close above this 230 level here, then what we do, we just look to the left of the chart. We just follow the candles all the way on up. And those are all going to be your resistant levels here, taking it all the way up until we can get your big retest here at 3.159. But it's not going to be instant, okay? It's going to be like this. See this, how this rolls? This was another contract roll that we had a couple months back, and then look how it rolls. See? Once you get above that 8, then she just slides all the way up nicely. It's not going to be instant in one day. It's going to be over a period of time. So we have the 8-day here. It's rolling up here nicely. Okay, let's just see if we can continue to roll. But something is going to happen here because we got ourselves a V pattern. Okay, see where this 50-day is coming down? Your 21-day is going up. Something's going to give. This is going to bust to the downside, or she's going to bust to the upside. So just be patient here. Patient, patient, patient. The key is a close over that 230. That's the key. If we start losing this 21 day and that 8 day, well, then you're going to probably looking back to that retest area. Okay, you look at a weekly chart here. Well, she ran up nicely right into that 21 day, got very, very close, 2.27. The 21 day is 2.30, so you're very, very close. But we have an indecision candle here, but you got 2 days left here in the week. We're looking here by Friday to hold that 2.08 level. That is going to be very key, that 8 SMA. That is looking good. Okay, now your RSI, you're sitting about medium here. This here is sitting about medium, but your green is still over your red. That shows positive momentum. Let's see how this all going to shake out. But just be patient with this here and just trade that range right there, the 21 day to the 50 day. You break up, we know where we're going. You break down, we know where we're going. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here tomorrow morning. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.